بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
والفجر وليال عشر والشفع والوتر والليل إذا يسر هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بعاد إرم ذات العماد التي لم يخلق مثلها في البلاد وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد وفرعون ذي الأوتاد الذين طغوا في البلاد فأكثروا فيها الفساد فصب عليهم ربك سوط عذاب إن ربك لبالمرصاد.
By the dawn, and 10 nights, and the even and the odd, and the night when it departeth. There surely is an oath for thinking man. Dost thou not consider how thy Lord dealt with the tribe of Ad, with many-columned Iram, the like of which was not created in the lands, and with the tribe of Thamud, who clove the rocks in the valley, and with Pharaoh firm of might, who all were rebellious to Allah in these lands, and multiplied iniquity therein? Therefore thy Lord poured on them the disaster of His punishment. Lo, thy Lord is ever watchful.
فأما الإنسان إذا ما ابتلاه ربه فأكرمه ونعمه فيقول ربي أكرمن وأما إذا ما ابتلاه فقدر عليه رزقه فيقول ربي أهانن كلا بل لا تكرمون اليتيم ولا تحاضون على طعام المسكين وتأكلون التراث أكلا لما وتحبون المال حبا جما.
As for man, whenever his Lord trieth him by honoring him, and is gracious unto him, he saith, My Lord honoureth me. But whenever he trieth him by straitening his means of life, he saith, My Lord despiseth me. Nay, but ye for your part honour not the orphan, and urge not on the feeding of the poor. And ye devour heritages with devouring greed, and love wealth with abounding love.
كلا إذا دكت الأرض دكا دكا وجاء ربك والملك صفا صفا وجيء يومئذ بجهنم يومئذ يتذكر الإنسان وأنى له الذكرى يقول يا ليتني قدمت لحياتي فيومئذ لا يعذب عذابه أحد ولا يوثق وثاقه أحد. يا أيتها النفس المطمئنة ارجعي إلى ربك راضية مرضية فادخلي في عبادي وادخلي جنتي.
Nay, but when the earth is ground to atoms, grinding, and thy Lord shall come with angels rank on rank, and hell is brought near that day, on that day man will remember, but how will the remembrance then avail him? He will say, Ah, would that I had sent before me some provision for my life. None punisheth as he will punish on that day. None bindeth as he then will bind. But thou soul at peace, return unto thy Lord content in his good pleasure. Enter thou among my bondmen, enter thou my garden.